Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When a man is placed in his grave and his companions return, he hears the beat of their shoes. Then two angels come to him, make him sit and say, 'What do you say about this man, Muhammad?' He says, 'I testify that he is the bondman of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is told to look at his abode in hell, in place of which Allah has blessed him with an abode in paradise.' The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Both are shown to him, and if he is an infidel or hypocrite, he says, I do not know. I used to say what the people said.' He will be said, 'You did neither know nor understand.' Then he is beaten between the ears with iron hammers, and he shouts, which all except jinn and human being hear. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1338.